Welcome back, Dart enthusiasts. In this exciting tutorial, we're taking our Dart skills to the next level as we explore control structures. Get ready to unleash the power of conditional statements and loops in this next tutorial. Control structures are vital tools that allow us to make decisions and repeat actions based on specific conditions. They form the backbone of any programming language, and Dart provides a range of powerful control structures to cater to our needs. Let's dive right in and explore the different control structures available in Dart. First off, we have the if statement, which enables us to execute a block of code based on a certain condition. Whether it's a simple condition or a more complex one with multiple branches, Dart's if statements has us covered. But what if we want to handle different cases? That's where the switch statement comes into play. With the switch statement, we can evaluate an expression and execute different code blocks based on its value. It's a powerful tool for handling multiple possible outcomes in a concise and efficient manner. Now, let's talk about loops. Loops allow us to repeat a set of instructions until a specific condition is met. Dart offers two primary types of loops, the while loop and the for loop. The while loop continues executing a block of code as long as a given condition remains true. It's perfect for situations where we don't know the exact number of iterations beforehand. On the other hand, the for loop is excellent for iterating over a known sequence, such as a list of numbers or a range. It allows us to control the number of iterations and execute specific code for each iteration. But wait, there's more. Dart also provides control structures like the do while loop and the break and continue statements, giving us even more flexibility and control over our code and execution. With the do while loop, we can ensure that a block of code is executed at least once before checking the condition. The break statement allows us to exit a loop prematurely if a certain condition is met, and the continue statement skips the current iteration and moves on to the next one, allowing for more fine-grained control over loop execution. By mastering control structures, we unlock the ability to create more dynamic and intelligent programs in Dart. These powerful tools give us the flexibility to handle different scenarios, making decisions, and iterate over data efficiently. That wraps up our Dart tutorial on control structures. With the knowledge you've gained, you are well equipped to take on more complex programming challenges in Dart. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more Dart tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.